Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the Wi-Fi roaming sensitivity or aggressiveness in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So roaming sensitivity is the rate at which your device selects and switches to different points of access. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select yung wireless network connection type natin. Okay? So, i-select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa advanced at dito lang sa property ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito at i-select natin dito yung roaming aggressiveness. Okay, and then i-click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang value ay pwede mo itong i-modify. Okay, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then pwede kang mag-select dito ng lowest, medium low, medium high, or yung highest value. Okay, so once nakapag-select ka na dyan, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change Wi-Fi roaming sensitivity or aggressiveness. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.